Okay, I would be saying good morning class. Today we are going to continue with our chapter that is working with tables. And working in tables, first of all, we have to open. Students, are you able to see me? Yes, students, are you able to see me? Means you are able to see my screen?
Ma'am.
Okay, let's open Word. You are not able to see my screen. Check your network connection. We'll be opening Microsoft Office, and in it we'll be opening our Word. As we were working on Word, this is our Word page which we were working on. Okay, and I'll be muting you all for a time being. Okay, so we have learned in our earlier chapter how to insert a table. I'll be telling you once again how to insert a table. Lakshya, make your video visible. To insert a table, the first method is to click on the table and just insert it. This is the most common way to insert a table. And after that, what you have to do, you have to just enter the data, like I have to write class. Here I'll write section. And here I'll be writing some other. Yes, students, are you able to hear my voice? Please tell me if you are able to hear my voice. Okay, so I think now it would be able. What is writing? Okay, thank you, Hardik, for writing it. Let's start. Yes, Yuvraj, what happened, beta? I'll be unmuting you for after some time. Wait. We have learned inserting a table, and after inserting a table, we were working on it, entering a data and things. Now, for example, I have entered one extra table. I have entered one extra table and I have to delete it. What I'll do, I'll just select the table, I'll right click, and after clicking right, see, I'll select the table, I'll right click and I'll just go on delete cell. डिलीट सेल पर क्लिक करने के बाद मुझको ये डिसाइड करना है कि मुझे एंटायर रो डिलीट करनी है, एंटायर कॉलम डिलीट करना है, शिफ्ट लेफ्ट करना है या शिफ्ट अप करना है. आई क्लिक एंटायर रो and okay, see my row is deleted. And for example, I have to delete a column. I'll select this column, again right click, go on delete column and see my column is deleted. This was the option which I wanted to teach you. Now let's go. Now I am writing it. मुझे इसकी width change करनी है, मुझे इस table की width change करनी है. I'll just select the table. See, after selecting, the things are coming. And I'll go on table properties. See, table properties is here. रोज कितने बड़े हैं मैं इन्हें स्पेसिफाई कर सकती हूँ. मुझे डिसाइड करना है कि रोज इतने बड़े होने चाहिए. ओके, देखो मेरे रोज के साइज बढ़ गए, मेरे रोज का साइज इंक्रीज हो गया. ऐसे ही मैं कॉलम का साइज भी इंक्रीज कर सकती हूँ. ओके, नाउ आई वांट दिस टू सेक्शंस टू बी मर्ज्ड. मैं चाहती हूँ ये दोनों सेक्शन एक हो जाएं. मुझे सिर्फ इन दोनों को सेलेक्ट करना है और सेलेक्ट करने के बाद अगेन राइट क्लिक करना है और देखो यहाँ एक ऑप्शन है मर्ज सेल और मुझे मर्ज सेल पर क्लिक कर देना है तो मेरी सेल्स मर्ज हो गई हैं. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट विच आई वांटेड टू टीच यू. रीसाइज टेबल, मुझे टेबल को बड़ा या छोटा करना है तो भी मैं कर सकती हूँ. सी, मैंने कॉलम बड़ा कर दिया. आई कैन इवन इंक्रीज माई टेबल साइज. सी, मैंने और साइज बड़ा कर दिया. It is what how I can work in the table. and this is the only thing which was left. Now let's see, I have to do a calculation. For example, I have to do calculations in this table. Let's insert a new table. This was my table. Let's enter two numbers here. 24, 56, 34. I need to add them. मुझे इनको add करना है. What I'll do? I'll just select the table. After selecting the table, I'll go on layout tab. Where is my layout tab? Here is my layout tab. And see, in layout tab, formula button is there. Which button? Formula button. I'll click on the formula button, equals to sum left. Okay. See, my sum is already here. I don't need to add anything and my sum is already here. So I am unmuting you.